Alright, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm playing something different for a change than Gorilla Tag. I'm playing Animal Company. And that gunshot, that's my new intro then, because I got bored of- oh, whoops. Because I got bored of this intro. How did you get in my house? You know, it doesn't really matter. I'm kind of bored of that intro, so that's my new intro. So, I'm gonna be playing some Animal Company. I really hope you enjoy this video, and let's go. Alright, so I got my grappler, or a hook shot. I can go so high. This is like a walkie-talkie here, but I'm alone right now. So there's no one else here with me, but maybe in the future with my friend Hayes Hammy. He really likes this game, so maybe later on today I can maybe play with him. And I don't know what I could do in this video for while while I'm playing some Animal Company. I would say this is like a map of the whole game, Animal Company. Like, this is a map of the entire world of Animal Company. Yeah, it's the entire map. Like, this is, like, I would say I am somewhere here. Yeah, I'm somewhere here. And there's caves. There's OG caves. There's over here, like, the graveyard place, and this is the circus. And this is like the entrance to like the reactor or something. Maybe I could go there during this video. And yeah, there's a lot of places here, so maybe I'll go to the reactor first. I'm just gonna see what I have, see what gadgets I got in my stash. First, I'm just gonna put my grappler in here so it doesn't go missing. What the? 2 sticks? That's odd. This is a teleport gun. Yes, yeah, teleport. Alright, I'm gonna go put this in my bag. Alright, what else is here? I'm gonna get this. And I'm gonna get my grappler again. What the? Alright, I have my stuff now. I got a torch. How do you guys think I look? You think I look good? Yeah, I think I look good. Let's go. Also, want to see something funny in Animal Company for your character? Watch this. Ah! Don't you guys think that's funny? Alright, it's a bit dark in here. I'm turning on my light. There's no monsters here because there are usually some monsters. Okay, that is just scary. It's not that dark. Oh, I can't go in those. It's dangerous. I like this music, bro. What's this? What the? What the heck? Where's my stuff? Where'd my stuff go? What? That is just strange. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Whew. It's like, wait a minute, where'd it go? Can you imagine if I lost it? Oh my god, I'm lagging. What the? My grappler! Got it. What else is down here? I'll get my other stuff later. Is this all that's here? Okay, that's creepy. I'm not going down there. I'm gonna go get my stuff back. This game is kind of scary though. It's kind of like an action horror. Like, I hear that sound, that is so scary. You usually play Animal Company with other people like Gorilla Tag, but people can be annoying in this game sometimes, so that's why I like to play alone. This place, I like this place. It's not scary. This place is not too bad. It's good. It's not scary. What's this place? Okay, that is just scary. I'm not going that way. But this place is good. I like it here. It's got nice music. Sadly, you won't be able to hear it because of my camera. Alright, now I'm gonna turn on my light again. I'm leaving. I'm out of here. Whew. At least I'm safe now. I'm going somewhere else. Right now, first I'm just gonna... Whoa, what's my... What? What? How did that happen? That is strange. All that stuff just came flying out. And how do I have two lights? And I only need one. Oh, what? Oh, yeah. Alright, so viewers, would you also like to see this cool magic trick that you can do? Even though you mainly have to put your stuff in there, but you can put yourself in there. I'll show. Wait, 1 sec. I'll just get my light out. I'll get my light out. Okay. I'll show you viewers now. Look. See? I'm inside it now. Okay, that is loud. I'm turning down. Oh, whoops. Okay, I'm leaving. Get me out of here! Get me out! There's no gravity here, too. Okay, I'm free. Alright, well, okay, my grappler was broken for a second there, but okay. Alright, I think I'm gonna show you guys this. I think after that I might have to end that video here. I'm sorry. Watch this. You can't put your grappler here. It just makes a noise. But I can now. Like, these are like studios. I like it here. I can go like so high and there's no monsters. Because there are monsters in Animal Company. Like, I know the circus map and that freaked me out. Yeah, that freaked me out so bad. Alright. It's not that dark. Alright, viewers, I'm sorry, but I think I'm gonna end the video there. that's a nice time playing something else for a change than so much Gorilla Tag content. Because I know I'll make content of other games too. If you guys want, I can play some other games, like maybe Yeeps or Scary Baboon if it is on VR, because I've seen images and gameplay of them, and I don't know what they're like, but they sound cool. But yeah, I could play them. So, bye bye.